The Turbo Shaft Speed Sensor from Fleece Performance is a new product that they have come out. This is just an ancillary or add-on product that you can get if you're replacing the turbo on your 6.7 Cummins in your Dodge pickup truck. Now, this works for the 2007 to current trucks, and it's actually one part number for this. The OE offerings are in two separate part numbers. And this is a more economical option for replacing your turbo speed sensor. This is about half the cost of what the OEs are out there in the market, and again, it's one part number on this. So if you're changing out a turbo and you want to get a new speed sensor, this is definitely the way to go. Comes with a new bolt to mount it to the turbo, and we definitely suggest, if you're looking for a new speed sensor, to keep the Fleece turbo speed sensor in mind. Again, one SKU covers 7.5 current, and it is much better priced than the OE offering. So we will link you inside this video to where you can purchase the turbo speed sensor from Fleece, and we appreciate you watching. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on the YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever in the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag.